Assalamualaikum. My name is Rahman Fauzi Harhab bin Ramadan. My matrix number is 33DCE20F2001.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Ashatun Nazali Tukane. My matric number is C3DCE20F2010.
Today we are going to make ayam berlada. So this is the ingredient that we are going to use. First we have tomato, and then lime leaf, red onion, garlic, and then 1 inch of ginger, Thai chili, and then the last thing is lemongrass. For seasoning we have sugar and salt. Make ayam berlada, first thing first, we need to prepare the sambal. To make the sambal, we need to slice roughly the red onion, ginger, and garlic, and then Thai chili and the red chili. After we slice all the ingredients, now we will put all the ingredients into the blender and blend it into a paste. Now we will prepare our fried chicken. So to make our fried chicken, we will add a teaspoon of turmeric into it and a tablespoon of salt. So now we will mix the chicken with turmeric and the salt. Now we need to preheat our pan and on at a medium heat.
Need 2 spatula of oil. And then add the chili paste and salt them until it cooks. Add in lemongrass. Add in salt for the seasoning and also sugar. And mix them together. Now we will add in the tomato and the lemon. Mix them. Add in all the fried chicken. And mix them well for about 3 minutes.